Hey there lovely people, I'm Claire and welcome to my mixed media YouTube world. I'm so glad you've popped by. So here's the deal, I thought I'd do a quick introduction video. I'm all about sharing creativity, inspiration and a whole lot of fun. So on this channel you'll find a little bit of everything to feed your curious mind. I do entertaining videos which I post every week for those chilled out moments, plus artist vlogs where I take you out with me on day trips and holidays and do some plein air painting. I do some demonstrations of the mixed media supplies that I buy and art supply reviews which are always honest, and whatever cool arty ideas that pop into my head, like this impromptu introduction video. So think of this as our little corner of the internet where we can learn, laugh and grow together. I love connecting with awesome people like you, so please don't be shy, drop me a comment, share your thoughts and let's make this space feel like home. So, are you ready to join the adventure? Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell for notifications and updates, and let's explore this wonderful world of mixed media and sketchbooks together. Thank you for stopping by. I can't wait to get to know you.